50 action verbs in English. Part 2. Frown, frown. She frowns when she's upset. She frowns when she's upset. Wave, wave. They wave goodbye to their friends. They wave goodbye to their friends. Point, point. He points to the map on the wall. He points to the map on the wall. Yawn, yawn. She yawns when she is tired. She yawns when she is tired. Sneeze, sneeze. He sneezes when he has a cold. He sneezes when he has a cold. Cough, cough. She coughs when she feels sick. She coughs when she feels sick. Breathe, breathe. They breathe deeply during meditation. They breathe deeply during meditation. Snore, snore. He snores loudly at night. He snores loudly at night. Blow, blow. She blows out the candles on her birthday cake. She blows out the candles on her birthday cake. Chop, chop. He chops vegetables for dinner. He chops vegetables for dinner. Slice, slice. She slices bread for sandwiches. She slices bread for sandwiches. Boil, boil. They boil water for tea. They boil water for tea. Fry, fry. He fries eggs for breakfast. He fries eggs for breakfast. Bake, bake. She bakes cookies for the bake sale. She bakes cookies for the bake sale. Grill, grill. They grill burgers in the backyard. They grill burgers in the backyard. Mix, mix. He mixes ingredients for the cake. He mixes ingredients for the cake. Pour, pour. She pours milk into her cereal. She pours milk into her cereal. Stir, stir. They stir the soup on the stove. They stir the soup on the stove. Peel, peel. He peels oranges for a snack. He peels oranges for a snack. Taste, taste. She tastes the soup to see if it needs salt. She tastes the soup to see if it needs salt. Serve, serve. They serve dinner at 7 p.m. They serve dinner at 7 p.m. Clean, clean. He cleans the house every Saturday. He cleans the house every Saturday. Mop, mop. She mops the kitchen floor. She mops the kitchen floor. Vacuum, vacuum. They vacuum the living room carpet. They vacuum the living room carpet. Dust, dust. She dusts the shelves every week. She dusts the shelves every week. Organize, organize. She organizes her closet by colour. She organizes her closet by colour. Tidy, tidy. They tidy up the living room before guests arrive. They tidy up the living room before guests arrive. Decorate. Decorate. He decorates the house for the holidays. He decorates the house for the holidays. Plant. Plant. She plants flowers in the garden. She plants flowers in the garden. Water. Water. She water the plants every morning. She water the plants every morning. Harvest. Harvest. He harvests vegetables from the garden. He harvests vegetables from the garden. Trim. Trim. She trims the hedges with garden shears. She trims the hedges with garden shears. Rake. Rake. They rake leaves in the autumn. They rake leaves in the autumn. Shovel. Shovel. He shovels snow from the driveway. He shovels snow from the driveway. Ski. Ski. She skis down the mountain slopes. She skis down the mountain slopes. Snowboard. Snowboard. They snowboard on winter holidays. They snowboard on winter holidays. Surf. Surf. He surfs the waves in the ocean. He surfs the waves in the ocean. Sail. Sail. She sails a boat on the lake. She sails a boat on the lake. Row. Row. They row a boat down the river. They row a boat down the river. Fish. Fish. He fishes in the river on weekends. He fishes in the river on weekends. Hike. Hike. She hikes in the mountains every summer. She hikes in the mountains every summer. Camp. Camp. They camp in the forest during vacations. They camp in the forest during vacations. Hunt. Hunt. He hunts deer in the woods. He hunts deer in the woods. Cook. Cook. She cooks over an open fire when camping. She cooks over an open fire when camping. Shop. Shop. They shop for camping gear at the store. They shop for camping gear at the store. Pack. Pack. He packs his suitcase before travelling. He packs his suitcase before travelling. Travel. Travel. She travels to different countries every year. She travels to different countries every year. Explore. Explore. They explore new cities on their vacations. Photograph. Photograph. He photographs wildlife in the forest. He photographs wildlife in the forest. Document. Document. She documents her travels in a journal. She documents her travels in a journal.
If you liked this video, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe to our channel.